As Musk's ecosystem grows, his actions could have greater ripple effects. Let's bring in Steve Wesley for more. He's former Tesla board member, founder and managing partner of the Wesley Group. Steve, it's good to have you. Let me just quickly start with what Laura just reported. It is pretty astonishing that SpaceX hasn't suffered the same fate as Tesla itself, as Twitter. What does it tell you about the Elon Musk effect?
Well, look, a lot of people are saying they barely missed numbers for this quarter. The fact remains they sold 405,000 units. That's an enormous number, heading to 1.31 million. That is 40% growth. No other auto company in the world is growing that quickly. Additionally, they're the most profitable auto company out there with 16% gross margins. That compares to about 5 or 6% for Volkswagen, General Motors, or Ford. They're doing pretty darn well. But make no mistake, share price off 65% for the year. That's not good. But I think a lot of that is due to two things. One, all of the havoc with Twitter, and also the fact that Elon himself sold $23 billion of shares this year alone. That put downward pressure on. But if you look forward to next year, put some of the intrigue behind us, I think Tesla's looking at an awfully strong 2023.
So let me ask you, Steve, I don't know whether you continue to speak with Elon Musk privately, but if you were to talk to him privately right now about Tesla and what he needs to do to right the stock, what would you tell him?
Well, first, I don't speak with Elon, so I have no inside information here. But here's what I'd say, and I've known Elon for 25 years. You're a brilliant innovator. You have literally helped create the electric vehicle industry. Virtually every company in the world is going all electric. Stay focused. You're the king of the hill now. Don't let anybody take that away from you. Here are the three things investors need to look at. One, Tesla needs to continue to grow internationally. Already, they're doing a great job of that. They've surpassed the Volkswagen Golf as the #1 selling vehicle in Europe, gas or electric. International growth has been stunning. Keep the profitability lead. Tesla's doing two things none of the other automakers have been able to do. One is drive the cost of batteries faster than anybody else. They were the first to take battery production in-house. It's given them a real cost advantage. Second, nobody is driving more revenues from what's called over-the-air software. That's 95% gross margins. That's great news. They also need to win the trucking wars. They're bringing the Tesla Semi to market now. Tesla Cybertruck comes out in July, sometime in early Q3. If they do well there at all, that's going to be a spectacular year for 2023. Real advice is stay focused, continue to bring in top management. The move that was announced this week, bringing Tom Zhu in, the best operating executives from the country, the person who really made Tesla China hum into the U.S. He may be the heir apparent to be the new CEO at Tesla.
Yeah.
Will